Hey guys, welcome to an episode of it's finally here. Five Nights at Freddy's 3. Oh, this is gonna suck. And yeah, I'm gonna die a lot. So let's go into it. Freddy Fazbear's Fright the Horror Attractions, where you just scare your socks off with a new attraction based on the answer and mystery. Whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Okay.
Hey, glad you came back for another night. I promise it'll be a lot more interesting this time. We found some great new relics.
I see why.
And we're out tracking down a new lead right now. So, let me just update you real quick, then you can get
Wait a minute. That's one boy right there.
opens in like a week, so we have to make sure every...
What the? Get me out of here. Get me out. No! No! Why did I go down there? I just had to go. Oh god. Oh god. What the? What's that? What's that? What's up there? What just happened? Did my game crash? Okay, we're back. I had no idea what that was. I think that was a minigame. There's no phone guy. How are you? Oh, so this is the thing. The thing. Foxy. Hi, you. Balloon boy. Why you do that? Why you do that? Freddy. Bonnie. Marionette. Yeah, I kind of recognize. Oh, look, the whole gang's in there. Except for Freddy. It still works. I can do this all day. Woo! Great, they didn't take that away. Foxy. Hey, Foxy's right there. Oh. Seal vents. Oh wow, you can only seal one vent. At a time. 3 a.m. First night. It's kind of boring. Well, where's the phone guy? Phone! Phone! Ring! Ring, you phone. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. First night, easy. I think it's just, so quiet. Too quiet. That's the same poster as that. What is the Five of Freddy's ever gonna freaking burn down? I want it to burn. To never be. Never. Hey look, Fox's arm. Yes! Why am I saying yes? That's actually easy. Wait, what? What the? Mango's Quest. Mango's Quest? Huh? I don't want to go exit. I'm gonna see if you know anyone. What the? Huh? What the? Hey, look, a cake. I want to eat it. Man, I found the last piece. Second night.
Hey man, okay, I have some awesome news for you. First of all, we found some vintage audio training cassettes. Dude, these are like prehistoric. I think they were like training tapes for like other employees or something like that. So I thought we could like have them playing like over the speakers as people walk through the attraction. Dude, that makes us feel legit, man. But I have an even better surprise for you. You're not gonna believe this. We found one. A real one. Gotta go, man. Well, look, it's in there somewhere. I'm sure you'll see it. Okay, I'll leave you with some of this great audio that I found. Talk to you later, man. Hello?
There's the phone guy.
Welcome to your new career as a performer/entertainer for Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. These tapes will provide you with much-needed information on how to handle/climb into/climb out of
Oh God.
mascot
Always
costumes.
the noise.
Right now, we have two
That
specially
noise.
designed suits that double as both animatronic and suit. So please pay close attention while learning how to operate these suits, as accidents/injury/death/irreparable and grotesque maiming can occur. First, we will discuss how to operate the
that
mascots when
noise.
they are in animatronic form. For ease of operation, the animatronics are set to turn and walk
I'm
towards
scared.
sound cues. This is an easy and hands-free approach to making sure the animatronics stay where the children are for maximum entertainment/crowd-pleasing value. To change the animatronics to suit mode, insert and turn firmly the hand crank provided by the manufacturer. Turning the crank will recoil and compress the animatronic parts
I'm scared.
around the sides
I'm
of the
freaking
suit,
scared.
providing room
Just
to
that
climb
noise.
inside. Please make sure the spring locks are fastened tight to ensure the animatronic devices remain fixed. We will cover this in more
So I
detail
am.
in tomorrow's session. Remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Sorry if you hear the noise in the background. I don't think you can. I'm so scared. I don't wanna. Please don't kill me. Phone guy, tell me more. I don't want. Dude, this is intense. That looks like Golden Freddy. I'm playing friends, please, I am not too. No? Oh. Sorry, guys, if you see that. Ah! I just saw Balloon Boy. Oh God, 4 a.m. If I win, If I lose, I'm ending this video. Where is he? A Springtrap. Ah! Ah! What should I do? Shut my door. He's gonna kill me. Oh! "5 a.m. Ah! No! Just no! No! I'm gonna probably die. I'm gonna stay like this until... Sorry guys, I have to do this. There's no other choice. Come on, 6 a.m. No! I'm rip. No! Oh! Oh God! No! Ah. That scared me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe. And yeah, peace out, yo.